Hello everyone, hope you all are good. Stay at home, stay safe and enjoy the video. So let's start the video. We need first bottle caps, nail paints, glitters and the magnet. So let's get started. I'm going to paint the upper surface of the bottle cap for 2 to 3 times. Make sure whether the level is covered or not. After finishing the first coat, let it dry for a few minutes. Then apply the second coat. Now let it to dry completely. Now I'm checking whether it's dry or not. Okay, it's not sticky. It's completely dry. Now going to paint side areas. Applying second coat for the side areas. After finishing this, let it dry again. I'm going to draw an emoji with the glitter. Let this dry for a few minutes. Now time to add the magnet. I'm going to use a small magnet for this. And our fridge magnet is ready. A few more designs are there. Now I'm going to use this. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.